Hello, I'm Sunshine. I'm your underwear addict, and here I talk about underwear. I post new videos every Sunday, so if you'd like to be notified, just ring that notification bell, and hopefully YouTube will tell you when the next video is up. So for today's video, someone who follows me on Instagram, who I will chat back and forth with every once in a while, has sent me some underwear that I'm going to look at, try on, and see what it is. So it is from my local store, which is Topdrawers, and I'll put their link in the description. And first of all, thank you, Greg. I really appreciate it. And I have no idea what's in here. So I just went, picked it up, and I have not looked at it. So we will all discover together what I got. I'm excited. Ooh. So, Cocksox. Ooh. Oh. This is fun. Ooh. And purple, my favorite color. Ooh. Oh, I like. Ooh. Okay, so, ooh. So what is this? What is the tag? Brief BD. That's what it says. And it doesn't tell me. Oh, the store sticker is over top. Let's see if I can move it to find out what it's made of. 92% Supplex and 8% Lycra. One. Wow, what? Greg, I think you overdid it. You outdid yourself. Intymen underwear. Ooh, so this is something new. I do not have this brand. So that's exciting. Oh. Cute little jockstrap, red and black. Oh, that's fun. What are we made of? What are we made of? 78% polyamide, 22% elastane. Oh, that's cute. Intymen. Oh, I like. Ooh, cute little detail in the front. Oh. And there's more. That is, ooh, private structure. So I do have, I think, a couple pieces from this brand. So always looking to get more. Oh. Something fell. Oh my. Oh, this is fun. Okay, so there are extra straps inside. And it is a mesh back. So I will try this on, but I will not be showing the backside on YouTube, as I've noticed that seems to be something that will get an age restriction on the video, which I try to not have. I want to make this accessible to everybody, at least everybody who's interested. So, but I will, oh my God, I will at one point be doing a review of this one for sure, and there will be pictures on my Instagram, which I'll have a link in down below as well. Oh my god, this is fun. I have not seen this before, where there's all these extra bits and bobbles. So, and what are we made of? 95% cotton, 5% spandex, and then 90, which I'm assuming is the mesh, 90% polyester and 10% spandex. So, oh my goodness, thank you. Wow. And so this is the last one. Also private structure. Oh, here we go. Oh, this is, that's cute. So cute. So cute. I love it. Oh my. That's so much fun. Very red, white, and blue. I don't know if that was the idea, but it is. Yeah, I love it. This is 95% cotton and 5% spandex. So let's try these on. Okay, so we have the Cocksox brief here, and this is what it looks like. So I can definitely feel the strap going underneath through my legs. There's ample room in the pouch, which I like. They do ride a bit lower, as these are more of a bikini style than I normally wear, but I do like that everything's covered with that, and I look forward to trying these out. I think they're super cute. Love the color combination, and yeah, I can't wait to see how these are wearing for a full day. This is, my goodness, this is gonna be fun as I'm losing my balance. Sorry. So let's try on the next one. This is the Jockstrap from Intymen, which I won't be showing the other view. Very, very comfy, snug. Possibly a slight bit too snug for myself in the pouch, but the material is, feels luxurious. I know it's not luxurious fabric. Most of these, you know, they're all similar materials, but the way they make some of them do feel nicer than others, and the black in here does feel quite lovely, almost kind of smooth, not quite silky, but getting there. And the straps, they're jock straps. So they've got the elastic straps, which not the most comfortable for myself, but these are fun. I love the color combination. So yeah, let's try on the next one. Okay, so this is the private structure. Let me grab the tag again. Momentum Orange Mini Brief is apparently what this one is called. So again, more words are escaping me. Sorry, a bit more of a bikini, like not bikini, but closer mini style. So I normally wear them a bit larger than this. Again, because these are mesh and see-through, I won't be turning all the way around, but slight bit small, possibly in the pouch. Everything is covered. though, so I do like that. Seem to be able to move. I do feel the bands in between my legs, so we'll see how that works throughout the day. And oh, but I love them. Can't wait to try these for the day, kind of see how they are. But I really like the style. I like a lot of the detailing. It's unique, very different, and for me, that's what makes them fun. So can't wait to try these. And the last pair, this is the mini brief from, again, Private Structure. Seems to be ample room in the pouch, and very comfortable. Everything seems to be covered. So again, a bit lower of a rise than I would typically wear, but these are super cute. They're just so much fun. They're kind of like, they remind me of like bathing, almost like a bathing suit, swimsuit, bathing trunks, however, whatever term you are familiar with. I like these, and seem comfortable, nice, and definitely tell that it's cotton. It has kind of that that feel. It's a bit of a kind of like a very tight. I'm trying to see describe how this feels. It's a very tight weave. So it's got a bit of firmness to it. It's not the same sort of weave as typical cotton briefs, but I love them. This is so much fun. Wow, thank you, Greg. This is really unbelievable. So there you have it. These are my new toys. Basically, so I'm going to be trying some of these, and definitely be doing some videos on some of these specifically, and yeah, so wow, so I'm not sure what else to say at this point. But yeah, so I am on Instagram. Pictures, I will be posting pictures of these on Instagram. So if you're wanting to see more pictures, follow me there. And I'm able to show more views, more sides of each underwear on Instagram than I am here. So also, give the video a like, subscribe if you can. I would really appreciate it. I'd love to hear any comments, if you have any, or if there's any brands you'd like me to try and review, any styles you'd like me to try and review. Please let me know. Other than like gifts from people, I don't get anything from any companies. I don't. None of these videos are sponsored. It's basically all me. I'm just having fun. So, but I'd love to hear from you. But again, none of that is necessary. I just hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a great day. Bye for now.